I'm not fishing today. I'm just out here for the exercise. It's a hot day. It's about 95 degrees. But there's a little breeze here on the Appomattox River. So it's pretty pleasant. I'm going under an underpass now. I'm not too far from civilization. Interstate 95 is just over that way, about 3 miles. And I think this is Temple Avenue that I'm going underneath now. So, I launched at a boat ramp just about a mile ago, up in back of the Walmart. So I'm not too far out. This is a nice little cove. I might see something different back here. See one of those herons again. I was chasing him up and down the river the other day. I go up the river and he'd fly up a little further. I go up the river further and he'd fly up the river further. Pretty soon I was chasing him down the river. Yeah, I'm in his environment. But I can't. He has to share that with me. I'm not doing much to disturb any balance of nature here. This is a nice little shady cove. It's a sunny day. I try to stay out of the sun as much as I can. And I try not to get too far out in the boondocks because I am by myself. And I hate to have some kind of accident back here where somebody couldn't find me. That's how you find people dead in the river sometimes. I probably need to invest in a waterproof camera. I'm going to do this very often. This is a kayak. It's a fishing kayak. And it's pretty stable. I don't expect to ever tip over. I hope I don't. Unless I get into some rapid situation. That would be fun. But I'm not into that much adventure. Or I want to go shooting any rapids. It would be neat to kind of take a river trip. Take a little bit of gear along and camp as you go. Just let somebody know where you're at. So if I need a GPS tracking device attached to my butt, you know, a barcode that can scan my butt from space in case I do get lost. Now I'm getting back in here a ways where I don't know for sure. Oh, that might be a way out right there. There goes a heron. Those are beautiful birds. I'll probably try to get a picture of one of those before I leave the river today. If I have any time left on this video, I will. Probably need to take a U-turn up here because I don't know if I have any outlet. Yeah. I'm back here in another little cove. Looks like another branch of the river back here. I'm gonna hit these logs. See if I can float over top of them. Yeah, good. I said I'm trying to find that heron. Maybe I can get a picture of it for you. I need a new tripod too. This tripod is terrible. You get what you pay for sometimes. I need a waterproof camera. There he is, ready to fly. There he goes. You see him? Trying to get a little closer. There he goes. Nice to have a high definition camera with a zoom lens on it.